Hey guys, it's the Keto King here, and we have cause for celebration. We have hit 100,000 subscribers. 100,000 subscribers, yeehaw! I have two things to say to that. One, thank you so much to every single one of you guys for watching the videos. What I appreciate even more is all the love that you show me by liking the videos, by subscribing to the channel so you get notified when I upload new videos, and of course, commenting in each of the videos. I absolutely love hearing from you guys, and all of those things just give me an indication that you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out there. 100,000 subscribers, time to party. Secondly, to celebrate this 100,000 subscriber milestone, I'm gonna be giving away 10 copies of my ebook. Now, I don't flaunt it much or really at all on the channel, but I've written a book. It's called Getting Started with Keto. It's currently in an ebook format. And really in this book, I share a bit of my story and I share all of the tips and tactics that I've learned in order for you to absolutely crush your keto goals. A few of the items addressed in there are how you can get into ketosis and how it doesn't have to be a miserable process, and the various types or levels of ketogenic diet that there are. It's not just one size fits all. Really what it's all about is trying to make a lifestyle change. This is not a keto diet, it's a keto lifestyle. That's why I always say that on this channel. So if you want to read a little bit more about that ebook I wrote, Getting Started with Keto, you can check out my website. If you can read that, it's over there. I'll also put it on the screen and I'll put it in the description box below. It's the Keto King, aka the bantingboss.com. Go check it out there. It's currently sold at a ridiculously reduced rate of $3.86. Yep, that's it guys. You can get that book for $3.86. But if you want to win it, all you have to do is these three things. 1, like this video. 2, you must be subscribed to the channel. And 3, leave a comment down below. Say absolutely anything. I just love hearing from you guys. I'd love to get to know you more. That's it. You do those 3 things and you'll be entered. And I'll do another video where I draw the 10 winners randomly from those comments. But again, if you're not subscribed and you haven't liked the videos, then you're not eligible to win the ebook that I wrote. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. Thank you again for watching. Absolutely love all of you guys and the support that you give this channel. And until the next video, keep it keto. Join me in a little celebratory scotch and cigar. Cheers to the 100,000 subscribers. I'm gonna go smoke this outside the house. Otherwise, I'm not gonna have a wife when I'm done.